Hey guys, Chanel here today and welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been forever since I've done a video, but I'm super excited because look what came today. Since we've been in quarantine, all those other things, I recently have picked up on like plants and all those other things. So I am definitely a plant mom now. So for one, this is not a sponsored video. I actually purchased these products or these plants with my own money and I wanted to give you guys my experience on it. So let me tell you exactly what I got. I placed my order on February 21st and today is the 16th of March. So it did take some time for me to get my order. I ordered 4 plants in total and the entire cost of everything was $97.99. Yes, I love plants. Oh my God, look at my babies. Oh, they look so cute. So that's exactly what it looks like inside. And as you guys can see, everything does look intact. It does look good. So I am super excited about that. I don't know if I'm crazy, but I ordered 4 plants and I see that 3 are here. So one thing that I can say is that the packaging does look very good. I don't know what I was expecting, but like, I don't know, maybe I was kind of scared that it was gonna be a whole bunch of soil and different things like that, but it's actually not, which is perfect. So it comes with what I ordered, which was a Tough Stuff collection, and it does say that I ordered a Hoya, a snake plant, and a ZZ plant. But I love the fact that the plants arrived without any type of damage to them. Everything looks really, really good. So this right here is, I believe, the Hoya plant. And it looks perfect. Look at my baby. It's so pretty. No damage. The leaves are coming up. Everything looks pretty good. And this one seems to be growing rather well. So this is the snake plant here. Again, I don't see any damage. I don't see any pests so far. So everything is looking pretty good. This is what this one looks like. And this is the ZZ plant. It does have a lot of nice colors on here. Again, everything does feel very healthy. It doesn't feel like it's, been damaged or anything. All right, so we have all the plants. There's really not that much dirt, but again, I'm not really sure what's going on because I know for a fact I ordered a 3rd plant and it was my Peperomia. It was a part of this. Hey guys, so this is future me on Friday and look what came. The last part of my order. Oh. This is not looking good. This poor plant has been through it. Oh my goodness. Do y'all see that? The plant is like dead. The leaves are black. Like, oh no, 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 no. This is not good. I have to take ample photos so that they can see this. The plant is black. The plant is moldy. The leaves are falling off of the plant. All of these leaves are falling off. And I don't even think this thing can be saved, honestly, because everything is just, it didn't make it. I don't know what happened in transit, but all the leaves are just done. They're gone. Look at this poor plant. This is a no bueno. The leaves are dried up. They're black. This poor, poor, poor plant. But yeah, this is the plant that I was waiting on, so. Yeah, let's come back to the original video. I guess we can start with the pros first. The pros of Bloomscape, I do like their selection. I like the way that they have the website. I do like the fact that they tell you exactly what plants are easier to take care of versus which ones aren't. These plants were a bit expensive, I'm not gonna front. Like I had told you guys, the entire order was $97.99. If anything, I really do feel like you're probably just paying for the, the pot here because plants usually aren't that expensive. And while I was waiting for these guys, I ended up going to another nursery and found that I could get a lot more plants for a lot cheaper. Yeah, what I ordered from Bloomscape, again, I never ordered from any other plant service online, so I'm really not sure what to expect. But just based on like me not getting my entire order and like, it taking forever, I don't know. I can't say that I will order from them again. But I understand that the company is sort of new and they are growing, so obviously there's room for improvement. But me particularly, I don't think I would place another order within this year. I'll probably give it some more time for the company to get a little bit more accustomed to dealing with these type of issues. These plants came all the way from another state and they came in extremely good quality. Like the plants are really, really good quality. So I'm gonna have all the information on these plants in the description box in case you guys are interested, as well as my poor Peperomia Ginny that did not get here. And if you guys want to see another video I made on artificial plants like this lovely birds of paradise that I have here behind me, you guys can check out that video here or somewhere here. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.